Hi ladies and little crafters out there, I am Nayeli. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like arts and crafts or DIYs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you click that little subscribe button. If you are like me and you are a last minute gift shopper, I understand you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do those easy tumblers, customized tumblers, really inexpensive. I know this year has been super hard financially for a lot of people, and I feel that sometimes the best gift are the ones that are personalized. So I hope you enjoy this video. I will show you what you will need. You will obviously need a tumbler, a cup, or whatever it is that you want to personalize. You will need some rubbing alcohol to prepare it. You need a computer or an iPad, wherever it is that you have Cricut design. You will also need a Cricut. You will also need vinyl. This is permanent adhesive backed vinyl sheets. So I actually got this off Amazon. These names, I am also going to use some adhesive craft vinyl, which is holographic one. So this is what it looks like, and I think it's so pretty. I'm sorry if that's blinding you. So we are going to go ahead and start. To go ahead and start this, I already showed you all of the tools that you will need, which is your vinyl. Of course, you will also need your weeding tool, and your scraper. So yes, let's go ahead and get started, and I will take you into, first of all, into Canva and then into Cricut Design Space. Let's go. First of all, we're going to start with Canvas, and I'm going to go ahead and go to all of my designs. And I already have a lot of stuff here, but I was trying some stuff out, but what I want to do here is I'm going to select this project here named Vanessa, which is basically the font I am going to be using for this gift, and yes, for the tumbler. So basically it is Bright Orchid, and I did get this font from thefont.com, and I did went ahead and downloaded it for free. So that's basically what I'm going to do. I already have it there, and if you want a more detailed Canva tour or Canva, how to use Canva, you can use it. I do have the pro version, and I honestly highly recommend it. I love Canva. I have been using this for many years. I want to say about 4 years. So I love it and I highly recommend it. You can upload fonts and stuff, and there's just so much you can do, which I'm also going to show you, because I am going to add butterflies to this tumbler. So I already have it downloaded, but if you didn't have it downloaded, you would press on download, and I like the transparent background and SVG, so I would press the SVG and transparent background. But since I already have that downloaded, I'm going to, oops, not here. I'm going to go ahead and go into my Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to select new project. I'm going to upload a picture, and I'm going to upload image. I'm going to browse, and as you can see, I have it right there. Save. I'm going to go ahead and insert that image, and I'm going to hide the background. That's the way I like to hide it, and then I'm going to, it's already attached, so I don't need to detach it. But let's say if you wanted every letter to be a different color, you can go ahead and do that, but ungrouping them, and then just ungroup everything and select each individual one. So that's something really cool about Canva that you can do, and you don't have to transform, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just undo it, just so it can be back to where it was, and I'm going to attach all of those. Okay, now that I have that attached, I'm going to go ahead and stop recording my screen. So now that I have that done, I'm going to go ahead and decide what color of vinyl do I want and all of those small details. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the vinyl that I want, and then I'm going to show you how I print it out. Okay, so the first color that I have decided to choose is black. So I'm going to use this mat right here, which is a green mat, and it is a standard grip mat. I'm going to go ahead, and this has fuzzies all over it. I'm going to go ahead and just do this. And something that I like to do is low my mat, and at the bottom I'm also going to add some of this pink holographic color, and basically I'm going, just so I won't have to load on, because I am going to do a double name, and you will see what I mean by a double name. I don't know if, by a double name, I don't know if that's the correct term to use, but that's the term I like to use. So I'm basically just going to do it like that. Here on Cricut Design, I am going to make it smaller. I'm going to make it about 6 inches. So I think that's pretty good enough, and it is right here. You can see it. It is 6.842 by 1. So I think this is the length, and width should be maybe a little bit. Maybe we can get away with that much. Okay, that should be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and select make it. I am going to cut, and then I'm going to move it a little bit more right there. I'm going to go ahead and press continue. I'm going to select to premium vinyl, and I'm going to go ahead, and I think that should be fine. Going to, now that we are here, I'm going to go ahead and load my mat and press cut. Now this is done. I'm going to go ahead, as you can see it's right there. I'm going to switch my mat this way, and I'm going to leave the same side. Switch the materials. So we have both of our designs done. As you can see right here and right here, I am going to cut it around just to save this vinyl, and I'm probably going to use this for a butterfly. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Go ahead and just delete that, and we're going to go ahead and go here. This one. So I'm going to insert image, and I'm going to go ahead and select this one and contour. There's no contour. I actually want, let me try to see if I can upload an image. This one again is from Canvas, so you see how I really like that. So we're gonna save that. We're gonna insert, and we're not going to do, maybe we'll do like, we're only going to do this little one. so I'm just going to keep this one and I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to just like that. Okay, so I am going to make them a little bit tinier. I think I'm going to make 2 inches. 2 more. And 72. 1.5. There we go. So we're going to do, I'm going to duplicate, I'm going to do 3. And then we're going to duplicate this, 2, 3. These, 1. So we're just going to do these 3 and we're going to do in black. So we're going to go to make it. And we're going to, just so they won't be way too close to each other, so about that much. Okay, so after that we will press continue. We will go ahead to premium vinyl and we'll go to make it. Okay, so we are making our butterflies and I'm going to go ahead and put this here. Okay, so now we have the holographic one, and I like to put a lot, but remember I always cut it, so don't worry about it. And we're going to make it.